we want to simplify the given expression and write only using positive exponents. Recall when we have powers raised to powers, we multiply the exponents. For the given expression, we have negative 2c cubed p to the power of negative 8, z to the power of 6, all raised to the power of negative 3. Again, because we have powers raised to powers, we multiply the exponents. To begin, we have negative 2 raised to the power of negative 3, and then times c to the power of the product of 3 and negative 3, times p to the power of the product of negative 8 and negative 3, times z to the power of the product of 6 and negative 3. And now to determine the products, we have negative 2 raised to the power of negative 3, c to the power of negative 9, p to the power of positive 24, and z to the power of negative 18. And now let's work on writing the expression using positive exponents. Recall, a to the power of negative m equals 1 divided by a to the power of positive m. So if it's helpful, we can think of a to the power of negative m as a fraction with a denominator of 1. And then if we move a to the power of negative m to the denominator, notice the sign of the exponent changes. So forming a fraction, we would have a denominator of 1, and then we would move negative 2 to the power of negative 3 to the denominator to change the exponent to positive 3. We would move c to the power of negative 9 to the denominator to change the exponent to positive 9. And we'd move z to the power of negative 18 to the denominator to change the exponent to positive 18. The given expression is equal to p to the power of 24, all divided by the product of negative 2 to the power of positive 3, and c to the power of positive 9, and z to the power of positive 18. And now we need to evaluate the cube of negative 2, which is negative 8, which gives us p to the power of positive 24 divided by the product of negative 8 and c to the 9th and z to the 18th. Remember, when we have a fraction, the negative sign can be in the numerator, in the denominator, or out front. Let's go ahead and write this as negative, and then p to the power of positive 24 divided by the product of 8 and c to the 9th and z to the 18th. This would be the simplified expression using positive exponents. And again, it's not wrong to have the negative in the denominator, but it's more common to have the negative out in front of the fraction. I hope you found this helpful.